In this video, I am actually showing one of our members how to withdraw the first time he's making his withdrawal from eState. So please guys, if you would like to watch how to get this done through another member, you are more than welcome to stay on this video, watch it from the beginning to the end so that you will understand how to withdraw, and you will also see that I am not the only person making withdrawals from eState platform. Other of our members are also making withdrawals. Now, this video, I have already taken permission from this our member to share this video. So permission has been granted for me to share this video with you guys. Please watch on and see how it is done. It is amazing to just see a member of our team making their withdrawals in eState, and that withdrawal gets processed almost immediately. You can also achieve the same result, guys, if you join this platform today. So sit back and watch on, and then go to your main menu or go to your assets. Yeah, and then go to assets. You need to click on buyer. Buyer will give you assets, not reward. Buyer. So my assets. Okay, so you have $55. So you need to click on transfer. That's the first thing you do. So click transfer and then enter 55.86.
On the first amount?
Yes. Okay, and then enter your PIN code. So this is your first withdrawal.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, click outside the box. Click outside the box. Okay, now click withdraw to e-wallet. Okay, now click done, and then go back to your e-wallet. So click on your three lines again to go back to your main menu, and then go to dashboard, and then scroll down here, and then click open wallet. So your 55.86 supposed to appear here in the next few minutes. So while that is happening, let's go and add your withdrawal address, because you've not added your withdrawal address. Okay, back to your main menu. And then go to your dashboard. So you have your 59.35 there. There you go. So if you click open wallet and then scroll down, select withdrawal, and then enter the amount you want to withdraw. So scroll up so that you will see the whole of that page. Click into the amount box and enter the amount. 59.35. Okay, and then scroll down, enter your 6-digit PIN, click confirm. There you go. A withdrawal request has been successfully sent and will be processed shortly. So if you go back again, top, you will see that you have nothing left on your e-wallet now. So your money has gone. You should receive that in your LatoKin account very, very shortly. So go back to your email. There should be an email confirmation of this withdrawal. If it has been processed, you will see the email there. So
I want to put more money in eState and get withdrawal like this.
So after a few minutes, the withdrawal was processed, and you can see it on the Latoken wallet. So this has been successfully processed, and this our team member is very happy with everything so far in e-estate, and is looking to add more money to e-estate. So guys, this is great. If you would like to join e-estate with me, if you want to be in my team in e-estate, the link to do so is below this video description. The platform is great. People are making withdrawals. The ones that are able to show their withdrawals, they will show their withdrawals. Some of them are not even prepared to come on the screen or share their withdrawals. But trust me, withdrawal is happening every single time in e-estate. For those that have joined and they have purchased their real estate, fraction of their real estate, those people are receiving withdrawals every time they put in their withdrawal. So if you are looking for consistency and a platform that will last longer, the link to join is below this video description. Remember, you can start today with only $10. But I don't recommend you start with $10. Why? Because $10 will earn you very small amount of money. Okay, so if you want to make good money from e-estate, you have to start with a good amount of capital for you to be able to earn substantial profit and eventually withdraw that profit on a daily basis. So guys, thank you very much. The link to join is below this video description. I will see you in my next e-estate video. Thank you.